Recording in progress.
Hey guys, welcome to a new video about what's ahead in AS. Today is the 16th of March 2024, and overall, what am I seeing is price is not able to sustain about the 5240 level, and consistently since last couple of days, this is where the sellers are engaging or the supply is initiating or supply is coming above the 5240 level, and where supply has shut off is the 5170 level, right? So it has been a nice balance. So this was the overall balance of the trades, which I'm looking at, and sellers are clearly visible at this particular levels. They have tried to push the price lower, but I'm seeing a lower cost basis from 5160 to 5120. This is where the cost basis is seen. So people who have bought here, they are the sellers here, or they are selling higher. Now they are selling lower and they are covering their positions towards the previous cost basis, right? So classic business. And coming to what am I looking at, or what's next in ES. So first of all, I'm clearly seeing the sellers are trapped below the 5130 and 5120 level. Exactly at this particular level, I'm seeing responsive buying or sort of a poor high. So who is exactly buying at the same price? Like these are nothing but the trap shorts, right? And if I look left, this is where there is an excess or sort of a single print with an excess. This is lack of supply, wherein there was a short covering. So this is where I'm seeing the same region where the sellers or the trap sellers are spotted. Okay, so what am I looking for next is couple of auction path. So for me, the Friday's low and high are important. Above the Friday's high, or specifically above the 5200 level, is where I'm seeing supply in form of the trapped buyers. Okay, and even a lot of trapped buyers or supply seen even around the 5240 and 5230 level. Okay, so a couple of auction path which I'm looking for is if the auction or the overnight auction develops within the range of Friday, I'm expecting a sort of balance test for supply, and then continue lower and look for another set of buyers, where they find buyers. So this is the first auction path. Second auction path is if we open gap down or around the lows, then I'm looking for price to move lower and see some balance developing within the 5150 to 5170, this 20-point range, right? This is the second auction path. Third auction path is we open above the value or the cost basis of Friday's auction. We take out the high, and then we just develop sideways around the area or the cost basis of Thursday's auction. Thursday was where there was some event which happened due to which new liquidity or new order flow has came in. So this is the third auction path, right? So overall, I'm neither bullish nor bearish, but currently at the lower area is where I'm seeing sort of sellers trapped. They are the ones who are buying responsibly. And then at the upper level is where I'm seeing a lot of trapped buyers who are going to add some supply, or who are going to be the sellers. And where the stops I'm seeing is around the 5160 level, 5130 level, and 5110 level, right? uh, there is still a gap which is not yet filled, so we still have this bigger gap, and that also I'm looking to see if we clear it within the next week's auction, right? But overall, inventory is short. The value is developing lower. Cost basis is moving lower. Now at the lower end, if the 5130 or 20 level holds, or if this particular, so if price does not transact at this particular level, so if it fails and I see responsive buying below, or sorry, not below but above the 5130 level, then I'm looking for another short covering rally and price to move higher. shaking out the stops, shaking out the areas and the levels where the stop loss orders are sent. Okay, so for me, 5130 and 5120 level are really very important, and that's where I'm observing. Okay, and if you'd like to talk to me, yeah, you can check the description below. There's a Telegram link. You can DM me directly there. Okay, till then, take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.